guys, we are at the Heathrow Animal Reception Center and today we're going to pick up Kobe.
Who is Kobe though?
A dog. Okay, let's go.
A Chihuahua dog. Yeah. How many hours did Kobe travel from the Philippines?
Like 2 days.
2 days.
Like 2 days.
So he's traveling from the Philippines, coming here in London. Oh God, how much it costs to travel Kobe from the Philippines here in London? A Chihuahua dog, the dog of Glitchy and B.
Uncle,
Are you excited to see Kobe,
Yes.
Jaiden?
he's gonna bark at me though.
Oh yeah, we will see how. We're getting inside the Heathrow Animal Reception Center to collect Kobe. And we're so excited. He's had a long whole trip. I hope I'm expecting the shipment.
Yeah.
Go inside.
Pet travel container disposal.
Dog's Kobe. Chihuahua, Kobe. Not me. Kobe. Angie. Nam? Angie. Yeah. And my husband. Is that myself? Yeah. Thank you. Squishy.
You looking?
That's a British passport. Thank you so much. Kasi ito po yung aso pala.
Hi.
Thank you.
Kobe.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help. Bye-bye. So these are Kobe's document in case he
Let me
will
see.
fly again. Maybe going back to the Philippines.
Let me see Kobe's
No.
document.
Or elsewhere. Ah, yeah.
Unless we'll bring home again for holiday.
I want Kobe.
Ito dun. Para tayo lahat.
Look mo.
Kobe.
Pwede pala snake din, no? Birds, yeah. Christmas jumper.
Clothes.
Jaiden's old sock.
Jaiden, can you lend
Oh yeah, sure.
Kobe socks?
Oh, then the socks that have holes in them. I still want a Shih Tzu.
See, mga papeles cleared.
Look.
These are Kobe's documents. Medical records.
Yeah.
Look,
Look at that, the vaccination.
anti-rabies vaccination, deworming. Show it to your mom. Open it. Vaccination record. Look at his boarding pass.
Jaiden has boarding pass as well. My goodness me. Kobe has boarding pass. Jaiden.
Jaiden, look.
Jaiden. Kobe has boarding pass.
See, and he's never denied to come to
London.
London. Dahil ito ang tao na di-deny. Si Kobe.
Yeah. Oh my God, how much it
They're very
all
sweet.
in all.
Kobe's passport, Kobe's birth certificate, and vaccination records and clearance. From
Charito
BC
Abuda.
regulatory. Huh? Oh, Charito Abuda is mentioned.
Yeah,
I
consignee.
borrowed her ticket for Kobe to come. Jaiden, is this on?
So frightened.
She's still frightened.
So frightened. No.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. She's okay though.
Oh,
Other things there. Okay. She's eaten and been to the toilet.
okay.
She's eaten, okay?
Thank you.
All right.
He's eating already. Oh, still frightened. Kobe. Poor Kobe.
Kobe, I don't know how to open this. Kobe, Gina, paano open?
Jaiden, have you checked how to open this one? You should have asked them.
Hindi. Kobe.
They're on the side. He's still
He
frightened.
still wants water.
Sige, Kobe. Ang liit, tumiit yata na ano. Kobe.
Oh my God.
Turkish cargo.
Get him out, get him out.
Kobe, yun ang gusto ng lumayas.
Oh my gosh, he still wants water. No! Yes, Kobe. There's some water. Kobe.
Maybe no more water there.
No, there's still water.
Oh, ano ka na lang? Ano, how to open this? Hindi ko sa...
This thing off. No, Kobe.
Because there's a tie.
No.
The tie cable.
How do you take it out?
Maybe scissor.
There we go.
Yes, Kobe.
Yes, Kobe. Kobe.
Open.
Oh, this is still scared.
Yeah,
Oh my God, it's so tiny.
Kobe.
He's still scared. He's dizzy from the plane.
Kobe. Yeah.
So tiny.
Ang liit.
Oh, lumiit siya lalo.
Wait,
Hello, Kobe. Welcome to London, Kobe. How's your trip, Kobe? Yeah. He must be frightened from the plane. He's still tired. He's still tired, Kobe.
Is this
Welcome to
Kobe?
London.
Yeah, he just came from the Philippines. Welcome to London. He just came from the Philippines. I think he's
He
cold.
looks scared.
Yeah, very scared. I don't know off the window. I think he's like a bit.
He's still a bit frightened.
He
I'm
looks
sure for how
frightened.
many
Kobe, welcome to
hours,
London.
even days travel.
Careful, don't go.
Oh my gosh. He's
So tiny? Huh? It's so tiny.
He's shaking. He's shaking. He's like shaking.
She's still
Yeah, because
shaking.
he's long-
He's still
a long
frightened.
flight.
How long is the
He
flight?
lost weight, look.
Yeah. Lost weight in the plane. Oh, come on, this is You okay, Kobe?
Oh my gosh. That was sweet.
You must be tired for 2 days travel.
This is Kobe. Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
I'm booking. Wait lang, wait. I'm booking. Tayo na, hindi ko maintindihan. Wait. Tayo.
Cheers. Come on, payment, please.
So tiny. It's probably hungry. No.
I think he's hungry. Should we give it? Should we give him food?
Excuse me. Yeah? That's dog food, right?
No. Okay, should we go now?
Sweets pa rin sa tao. Are you hungry? Sorry, you don't have food.
If you do water, di water pa na yung dila ni tubig.
Sorry, Kobe, I'm not ready. Dapat
Where's the water tube thing? Some of it.
At least water. But don't touch it. Kumain naman daw eh. Diba?
But he's frightened. He's frightened. I don't want to ano.
Shy.
He don't want probably to drink. He's not thirsty.
Jaiden, what about you? Yay! Kobe's. Hindi kasi siya marunong dito. Perfect.
Hello everyone, it's Kirby. He's so cute. He's licking me. Aww.
He just arrived
Yeah.
in London.
It's like
From the Philippines.
it's like 8 o'clock now.
2 days travel
Yeah.
for Kobe.
Now, are we going to go now?
So Kobe had stopped over in Istanbul. So from Manila to Istanbul, then to Heathrow, London.
Yeah, what do you think?
It's probably cold. No. Try it. Yan, it's one, oh. Oh. Una.
In his home.
Dami ka na
He
ng boat.
needs a vent and a pillow. Now.
Hindi na ba ako? Wash your hands, ha?
Yeah, I need to wash my hands.
Ako'y magbubok na. Diyan muna ang lagi yan, ha? Ako'y...
I need to give him like a toy. make sure he doesn't go out the door.
No. Mamaya. Hello, Kobe.
Maliit, gusto lang siguro ng mga 10,000.
Hindi, oh. Kulang-kulang.
10,000.
Do you have dog food?
Do you have dog food?
What does Kobe eat?
Fish dog. Fish dog. Fish food.
You have fish food?
No.
Nanginginig na eh. Uwi na kami.
Wala kang dala mo ang kanyang pasuot.
Hindi nga dala niya eh.
Hindi dinala.
Alin? Damit?
Oo, hindi dinala mo siya.
Ay, Superman.
He wants it off. He wants it off. He wants it off.
Ang bago sa kalima. Yes, para sa bahay na.